Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining for the first time, I'm Coco, and today is Monday, so that means this is going to be another episode of Makeup Monday. Now, you may be wondering why we're in the kitchen on a Makeup Monday, which is a valid question, but it's where the water is and it's big enough for me to film. So today I want to show you guys a really quick and easy way to clean your makeup brushes. If you're like me, you probably hate cleaning your makeup brushes. It's just one of those tasks that are absolutely mandatory but super inconvenient to do. It can be time consuming, your fingers get wrinkly, you waste a lot of water and a lot of soap, and it's the most. But it's definitely necessary. I like to say that the foundation of a great makeup look is a clean face, but the foundation of great makeup application is a clean brush. So today I'm going to be using my Senbo makeup brush cleaning machine. And I'm going to be using the Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo. So here I have some of my favorite makeup brushes by a few different brands and in different sizes so you guys can really see how this works. I have my She Is Royalty, of course, which are my favorites. I have my Real Techniques brushes. I have my Luxy Beauty, some e.l.f. brushes, and a few randoms in here. So we're going to get these makeup brushes cleaned, and I'm going to time it, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly how long it took me to do this. So let's get started. Come in close. as you can see, I was able to clean a number of my brushes in just a little under 22 minutes. So I know for me, I mean, there was a lot of stopping in between. I had to change the water a few times because I added too much of the shampoo at one point. I had to adjust my camera. So I would say about 15 minutes. And the great thing about it for me is that all of the brushes that I was able to clean are dry. I can actually use them right now. So while I wouldn't say that this system is something that I would use for like a weekly clean, a deep clean, it's definitely something that I would use in between uses. I would use it right after I did my makeup, or for example, if I needed to switch the color or something. This is definitely a really great solution for a quick clean, a quick turnaround. I mean, as you can see, some brushes are like back to new, and then some brushes still have some color on them. So it really just depends. I think it definitely depends on the brand of the brushes as well. My She Is Royalty brushes are definitely the hardest to clean just because, baby, these brushes are dense, okay? They're not losing hairs. They are staying like this forever. But as you can see, I just cleaned this one and I can already use it, and my face is not getting any kind of wet brush marks or anything like that. It definitely did a really great job on the Real Techniques brushes, especially the brushes that I used to contour with, because you know the powder is the darkest there. Overall, I would definitely recommend a system like this for someone who wears makeup every day or multiple times a week. That once a week deep clean is just not enough, okay? It's not enough, especially if you're wearing makeup every single day. You need to make sure that you get some kind of clean in between, and this is a great way to do so. So the Senbo upgraded makeup brush cleaner and dryer machine comes with, of course, the makeup brush attachment head, which just attaches to a simple spoolie, and the spoolie attaches to the brush attachment piece. I know it's a lot of attachments, but it comes with 8 of the brush head attachments in all different sizes to fit a variety of makeup brushes. I lost one somewhere, but it's important that you keep all of the pieces because you want the attachment to stick to the brush as best as possible. So you want the brush to be slightly bigger than the whole of the attachment that you're using. It does come with 2 of these, so if you lose one, it's not as bad. And it comes with a carrying case as well. The system comes with a bowl to clean the brushes. Now the great thing about the bowl is that it has this piece that comes out a little bit more in the middle, and what that does is it literally contains all of the liquid, all of the soap, everything in here, and you can also dry the brush in here as well. Now I took the brush out to dry it. That was just so that you guys could see what I was doing and how it was drying it. It does dry it pretty much immediately, so it takes about 60 seconds for each brush to be cleaned and dry. It's amazing. But everything goes on in this, so it's really a no mess situation. I laid a towel down underneath the bowl just to be safe, but you really don't have to. And that's why I say that this is so great for traveling and so great for quick and convenient use in between makeup applications. You can even do this while you're applying your makeup. If you want to change an eyeshadow color or something, dip it in, let it dry real quick, and then boom, you got a clean brush to go. So again, if you are somebody like me who hates washing their makeup brushes, or you just forget, or if you don't do it immediately, you'll never do it. If you travel often and take your makeup with you, if you wear makeup constantly or every day, this is definitely This video is definitely not sponsored by Senbo or Eco Tools, but if they want to cut the check, you know, your girl will accept it. But these 2 products are available. I've linked them in my Amazon affiliate store. I do get a commission if you do purchase from the store. I mean, hopefully you'll mind it doesn't come out of your pocket, but you know, it helps your girl out. So feel free to check these out, as well as some of the other beauty tools and items that I've added to my Amazon affiliate store. I do like the Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo. It smells amazing. It says for a deep weekly cleanse, but honestly, I think that I want to try it alone without the machine because to me, it's just not cleaning as deeply as like dish soap. So I would definitely try the machine with dish soap. I'm not gonna lie, I would do it. But it smells really, really great. So that's a plus side. But it does say that it's free of parabens and phthalates, and it is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. So you can find those in my Amazon store link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you use to clean your makeup brushes. And let me know if you have a problem doing it consistently like I do. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. We love you. Bye.